Students, good morning. So today I will teach you that is a mathematical function. Some functions in your book is there. That function only today I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay. The before I will teach you what and all I will teach you. That is a Python programming. I will teach you functions. Functions I will teach you. Functions, what and all function is there. I will teach you. After that, the functions. After that, what I teach you. That is a global variable and a local variable I will teach you. Okay, the local variable also will teach you. So next I will teach you so many functions, inbuilt-in functions is there. That is a inbuilt-in means what? That is a inbuilt-in means that is a inbuilt in the mathematical functions. Mathematical function is there. That function how to use the I will say. That is a ABS. ABS is a absolute numbers. Absolute number means you enter minus number means the result one what number will come. That is a integer number will come. See here, this is a x is 20, y is 23.2. Print x is equal to ABS function inside x. ABS function inside y. X value what? 20 printed. Then y value what? Minus 23.2. That is a what value will come? ABS you can using means that is a what? That is a big number. That is a integer numbers will come. That is a return to the what number will come? That is a ABC function that work only. Okay. That is a using for ABS function. So next ORD function means that is a unique characters will come. Unique character means what? That is the ORD function. The print is there. C is equal to A, D is equal to capital A. That is a single quotation inside is there. Okay. That single quotation inside. See here. That single quotation inside what does that means? See here. That is a OR C. After that what is this? ORD D. D means what? C is equal to A. A single A means what character means? 97. So each and every character you write in, see here, 97. Sir, B is what is this? 98. C is what? 99. So each and every character that is a what code? That is a unique code. The ASCII code is there. ASCII code also is there. So that is called to what? ORD. That is a function is there. That is a character functions opposite will come. Okay. So next what is this function? That is a character function. That character function see here. C is equal to 65. D is equal to 43. See here what is the means? Character. See here. Character of C. Character of D. After that what answer will come? Sir, C value 65, sir, D value 43. Why didn't print 65, 43? Why? That is a character functions you can using. That character function what will be means? That is a 65 means that is a capital A. Then 43 means that is a, what is this? Plus symbol. Plus symbol. So that is using for the mathematical function. That is a character function. Sir, next what, sir? Next what is bin? Bin means what that means? See here, bin means x is equal to 15, y is equal to 101. Print, see here, 15 in binary. Binary means what? That is a 15 what number will come, that binary number will come. Sir, binary means what, sir? Binary, how to convert it? You studied in 11th standard, no? The 11th standard, how to? 15 divided by 2. How many times? 7 times will come, remain 1. Next what is it? 2 times. Again 2. Then what is it? 3 times. Remain 1. Next what is this? 1 time. Remain 1. What is the answer? That is what is it? 1, 1, 1. That answer is only what is this? This OB. That is a 0B means that is what is this? Binary number. 101 binary number what is this? OB 1100101. That is a binary number. So bin function what is used? That is a binary numbers you can return. Binary numbers you can return. So binary number, see here sir, bin function you can using means binary number will come. In case x, y only you can print it means 1500 and only will come. So that is a difference. The functions very clearly you can use. Okay. Next functions. Next function, what is this? Type. That is a type means what? Type means what? That is a float or string or boolean. See here, that is a type function means, see here, x equal to 15.2, y is equal to a, s is equal to true. So type means what? Type x, type y, type s. That is a 15.2 means what? Float. In case 15 is there means integer, int will come. Then single quotation, double quotation, triple quotation you give it means what? That is a string only will come. True or false means what? Boolean. So that is a type means what object, what numbers you gave, that data type will come. Okay. Okay. Next what is this? Next what is this? That is a ID. ID means what? See here, x is equal to 15, y is equal to a. See here, print address of IDX, IDY. IDX, IDY means what? That is here, what is this? Address. This 15, the computer one address he will give you. This 15 you can store means that address only give you. So this address, sir, each and every time the address will be changed. Each and every time you can address will be changed. Okay, see here, note the address of the x and y may be differ in your system. So there is a very clearly you can get. Okay, so this is a address for the system. Address for the systems. Okay, students. Next function, what is this? Min. Min means what? Return the minimum value list. See here, this is a minimum value list means what? One list is there, 21, 76, 98 is there. My list, what is it? This number is there. Minimum means what? 21. Remaining all the value what? That is a big number. That is a minimum function. That is a min function. Min my x. Dora, that is a things. Next, what is this? Max. Max means what? Biggest number will come. See here, biggest number will come here. That is the biggest number. So there is a next, what is this? Sum. Sum means what? That is a return the sum of the value of list. See here, each and everything you can add and coming. So that is a sum function. So this table you can see the students, definitely 1 or 2 marks definitely will come in board exam. So next, what is this? Format. Format means what? See here, 1100. See here, what format? That is a x value format of B. What is a B? What is a B? B means what? X is equal to format. That what format? B format will come. Binary format. This is O means what? Octal format. That is a F means what? That is a floating formats. So that is called to what? Format. That is a format functions you can using means will come. Function, format functions will using means will come. Otherwise didn't come. Okay, what format you want, that format you can do. Binary, octal, fixed point of notation, or what is this? Hexadecimal is there. So many format is there. So return the output based for the given format. Okay, sir, next function what's a round function? What is a round function? See here, each and everything you can rounded value will come. What is a rounded? Rounded number digits will come. See here, round x means 17 only will come. 22 will only come. 18 minus 18 only will come. That is the output. See here, return the nearest integer to in the inputs. That is called to round input. So second time, see here, coming here, 18, 17, then what is this? 17.82. That is the output. See here, 18 double to minus 18. So nearest number, what is there, that is you can print it. So next function what? Power. So already you know that power. Power means what? The power to the of number. A comma B means A 5, then B means 2. 5 power of 2. 5 power of 2 means 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. So that is a power number will come. A power of C means, A means what? 5. C means what? 3.0. That is what is 3 times. 3 times means 20, 125, 0. So that is a power. A plus B comma 3 means that is a that numbers will come. So here 343. That function is there. So these and all mathematical function. Okay, these and all built-in function. Okay, so next mathematical function I will teach you. Floor, what is what? That is a floor means what? See here. That is what? 26.7 minus 26.7 minus 23.2. That is here. Floor means what? Rounded. Rounded means what? Floor means what? 26 minus 27. Next what is this? Minus 24. That is a rounded numbers. I will think this number 27 I will come. Okay. So you will check each and every Python language you can differ. So next what is this? That is a what is it? Sale means what? That is a return the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. See here, y is equal to 26.3. That is sale means what? That is here 27, 26 and 23. Sailing means is nothing, sir. That is a return the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. Greater than or equal to x. That like you can save. Okay. Okay, good. So next what is this? SQRT. Square root. Square root already you know that mathematical. The same square root will come. See here. That is a 30 square root. This. 49 square root. 7. Then 25.5 square root means this. Okay. That is enough. Okay. Okay. That is here. So this is a function. So very carefully you can listen this chapter. So this chapter is finished. So next only one topic is there. The topic finished means this chapter is over. Composition in function. What is a composition in function? Composition means is nothing. See here. Composition means that is a each and everything nested manner. Nested manner means what? There is each and one or more function inside another function is there means that is what? Composition function. That is what? Composition function. So that is a composition function. That is a using of the inside more values there. The composition function is a input or applied to the evil functions. Okay, that's over. So this is over means this chapter is over. Okay, Python recursive function means that is what? That is a the function inside itself recursion is there. Recursion is what? That is a like loops. Loops is there no? The repeatedly if you work that. One more time. So an example program is there. See here. Tef function is there. Fact function is there. Next what is this? If n is equal to 0, return 1. Else part, return n asterisk fact of n minus 1. What is a fact of n minus 1? That is a function name also is there. That also is there. Here also is there. Here also is there. There also is there. So function name inside one more function is there means that is what? Recursive function. So this function how to work means 0 means what? 1 will come. 5 means what? 120 will come. That is a here to here you can passing means 0. 0 means what? 0 is equal to 0 means what is it? N return value condition is false. Condition is true. True means what is this? This part execute. Okay. Next 5 means what will do? That is n is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 0. Condition is false. False means where it is going? Else part you can going. So else part what is it? Written n asterisk is equal to fact of n minus 1. N value what? 5. 5 asterisk fact of 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4. Fact of n minus what? Now you can going there. Okay. Again what is it? Factor you can see means you can go there. Again what is it? 4 is equal to 0. Condition is true. Again will come. 4 into asterisk. That like you can going means. So last value what will come? That is a 120 will come. So each and every stage you can multiply. Each and every stage you can multiply. Are you clear, students? So this is a recursive function. Recursive function. So this chapter is over. This chapter is over. So this chapter very important. So very carefully you can read it. Okay. Thank you, students.